Hello everybody, this is Keats94 here on a beautiful April day in the forests of Lerwick Park out here on Vancouver Island near Comox, Comox Courtney area in the beautiful Comox Valley. And you might notice that the camera looks a little, maybe the angle looks different, or maybe there's more resolution. Well, I'm actually using my brand new GoPro Hero 12 camera, and this will hopefully be the future of my vlogging. Be a lot more of this kind of view, and hopefully, you know, it'll be more watchable for all you folks, and maybe a bit more user-friendly for me too. Right now, we are walking to a geocache, and for the first time ever, I'm able to show you my phone because I've been using my phone to film as well. So right now we're walking towards a geocache. I'm at about 115 meters away, and fingers crossed, we find this thing. So tag along on another geocaching adventure. Okay, so one of the cool things about some forests around here, I'm sure that they're all over the place, but on Vancouver Island here we have some really neat kind of fairy forest situation here. And apparently the geocache is likely going to be in one of these birdhouses somewhere around here. And is it underneath there? No. What about this? See anything in there? Check out the really epic ladybugs. Okay, well, let's check down here. Let's see if see what ground zero says for me here. We have a photo here somewhere. All right, folks, I think I found it. Spoiler alert, everybody. Oh yeah, got ourselves another one for the win. Gonna open this thing up. Alright, got ourselves the logbook. Every geocache has to have a logbook. And there's some trading items in here. We got ourselves a little kind of seahorse thingy. Looks like maybe a My Little Pony thing. It seems like there's a purple theme with this. Little bunny. And unicorn. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna sign this thing. Okay, like every good geocacher, we're gonna put the cache back where we rightfully found it and where it rightfully belongs. Behind a nice little oyster shell. Yeah, definitely an epic place full of trees and fairy towns and all that stuff. And I don't know why I'm keeping my voice low, but... Okay, so the next cache we're gonna be going for is called Gibraltar of Comox Valley. And I know nothing about the cache site. I've never been there. I don't really know anything about the area. So I'm kind of curious to know what that's all going to be about. And it has a grand total of 35, count them, 35 favorite points. So my hopes are high. Look at all this, by the way. That is pretty epic. There's a sizable fairy village with probably lots of restaurants and cafes for the height, the shorter folk. All right, I think we've found another geocache. It's actually really fast. So this is one that I'm really glad to have found rather quickly because I have to take the bus back to Courtney, and I think, oh, look at that. Look at that substantial hide. Boom. And it's full of ants. Oh yeah. I want to get bitten by the ants. I think they're red ants too. They're all over the place. So for those interested in where I am on Vancouver Island, Comox is kind of located kind of central island, even though that a lot of places around here, a lot of businesses and institutions call this area the North Island. We're kind of north of Qualicum Beach and south of Campbell River on the east side of Vancouver Island, and it's a beautiful part of British Columbia and a fantastic place to go geocaching, and I am super happy to be out here. I'm actually out here for not just geocaching. I was at a Celtic concert. Check out Coig, by the way, that's my plug for that band. They're a fantastic band from Nova Scotia, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. So they were playing here at the Sid Williams Theatre, so I was super happy to be able to snag that opportunity to see them. All right, on to the next cache. Okay, we got ourselves another traditional cache coming up here. Got my phone, and we're gonna see if we can find this thing. The cache's name is literally called Another Traditional Cache, and guess what? We might be able to find another traditional cache. Amazing. All right, what is the hint, folks? Dead fallen tree under bark. So, where art thou, dead tree and fallen bark? 11 meters here, 11 meters. Ooh. Well, I'm getting 9 meters here. What's the hint again? Dead fallen tree under bark. All right, folks. I see something here. Could it be? Could it be? Could it be? Hear those eagles? Oh, nothing there. Do you see anything? I'm zeroing out about here. Oh, actually, what's this? I see something very suspect. What could it be? It looks very wooden. Oh, wow. Okay. Challenge accepted. We got ourselves a locked geocache here. And I'm gonna guess that we have to find out Roman numerals on how to access this cache. Okay, figured it out. It's unlocked. And oh. Full of bugs. Beautiful. All right, put that cache away. And now we're gonna head on to the next one. The thing that I have to keep in mind of right now is that I have to keep looking at the bus times because I'm actually without a vehicle. Once again, classic Keats 94 adventure involves taking public transit. And if I miss this bus, then I'm stuck here for an extra hour, and that would make my connection to my bus back to Nanaimo a little bit more challenging. So I really want to make sure I catch that bus, because if I miss the bus to Nanaimo, I'm stuck here for an extra night, which wouldn't be all that bad, but I have work tomorrow, so don't really want to miss that. All right, can Keats 94 find it? We're gonna find out. Gonna walk down the trail here, and fingers crossed, we will get to it on time. 72 meters. Getting close. Gonna open up this bad boy. Gonna sign a log. Yeah. So here we are at the Native Sons Hall. It is the largest free-span log building in Canada, still to this day. All right, another Adventure Lab stage done out here in Courtney. Let's head on to the next one. And of course, another Adventure Lab stage here. And those are just some of the Adventure Lab stages you can find in this neat little town. I am gonna get some food and maybe a pint, and off I go back to Nanaimo today. So, thanks for coming along on this adventure. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Case 94's Geocaching Adventures here on YouTube. I want to thank you very much for tagging along on this adventure, and feel free to subscribe because there's more episodes to come every Saturday. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Happy caching and happy adventure.